Hi friends, today I wanted to share with you my tomato jam making process. This jam was part of my 12 jams of Christmas that I put together for family members, and it's just fabulous. I am using my awesome Rada cutlery knife and my tomato corer. I'll put links in the description box. These two tools make cutting all these tomatoes a dream, and this tomato jam was fabulous, just wonderful. I'm sharing the process with you so you can see how it went. I think it was a great success. Alrighty, once you get your tomatoes, which was 5 pounds, cored and finely chopped into the pot, you're going to add 3.5 cups of granulated sugar, half a cup of freshly squeezed lime juice, 2 teaspoons of grated peeled fresh ginger, a teaspoon of ground cinnamon, a half a teaspoon of ground cloves, a tablespoon of sea salt, and yes, that is a tablespoon of red pepper flakes in there. And holy macaroni, after I had tasted it, I was a little concerned because it had quite a kick, but after a couple of days, I noticed that the flavors blended beautifully and the kick was not uncomfortable. Obviously, you want to stir everything up beautifully so it's all combined nice. Get that sugar in there and all those lovely seasonings all combined nice so you have a homogeneous product. And at this point, your flame is on high. You want to get it going at a high boil, and once you get it boiling, that's when you lower the heat as low as you can, and you'll be stirring it frequently. You don't want it to scorch. And you'll see I also go back with my little bowl that had my seasonings because I want to get everything in there. Now that it's at a nice boil, I lower it and I just keep coming back, giving it occasional stirs so there is no scorching. You could see how much it's reduced. The only thing I would do different next time is get it just a hair thicker. But it was late and I was getting tired. But it didn't affect the taste at all, and it actually thickened up some in the fridge. processing is finished, and I use a steam canner. My processing time has to get 5 minutes added to it because of the elevation, so it needed 25 minutes. All of these jars sealed, and I have to say, for the 12 jams of Christmas, I canned up over 90 jars of jam, because obviously not all the jam was going in the 4-ounce jars. I got big jars too for my family to keep, and I had a 100% success rate with them sealing, and I am so proud of myself and so happy. And here you could see all the pretty jam in there, and the gal that made the cookbook said, do not peel the tomatoes or seed it. And boy, that made it a lot easier. What a wonderful process this was. Well worth it and delicious. Alrighty, next morning, as you can see, I'm taking the bands off and showing that each one's sealed. They will get washed in the sink with soapy warm water to get any stickiness off. You could see the book in the background. It is called Food in Jars, Preserving in Small Batches Year-Round by Marissa McLennan. She is an approved recipe creator, because I don't do any rebel anything. Everything I can is by the book. And this is a lovely cookbook to add to your repertoire of the other ball canning books. Just beautiful recipes in there, as you can see as I leaf through the pages. Beautiful pictures, all of it. A nice variety of recipes. I was really happy with quite a few of them I made for the project I did, and every single one of them was delicious. Wonderful book. Wonderful book. I'll link it in the description as well. Loved it.